I have the opportunity, I will also be following up on a number of other requests that we have written. But since I want that to be in a closer session, I will request that when we are done with this, I would come.
There may not be time because the one you want to request is the land that was revoked. That you wrote later. So there's nothing secret about that now.
Honorable Minister, every Nigerian knows your prowess about cooking. We also don't know that you have mind reading abilities.
Yes, I know.
So now that you are beating us to the game, we have a number of other requests which I will put to you. The one that was revoked. We're trying to build an international conference center. And we also have that application. We had already written 1 or 2 letters to request a reminder and a follow-up to that. We wrote to seek this audience. But the one that we will not write to seek audience for would be when we know when next you are going to cook, the VIP cooking. And then we work with your protocol units to put this up in the Guinness Book of Records for the best VIP cook.
Once you pay the duties.
All right, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Once again, we appreciate you.
Thank you. FCT will now sell it to you. Then we use the money and develop. Then when we give you CFO, you now pay our grand rent. You see, we must. Government must show that serious in 20s. Government are giving you land for how many years? You know, how many years now? Nobody wants to develop nothing. The only one you have had, you have revoked. Then I saw your letter, I laughed. I said, yeah, my brother, I will give you opportunity to buy the land from FCT. And then we'll give you the value of the land now. It's about 5 billion, 6 billion. We're going to make a lot of money to do projects. So that's what, but frankly speaking, we'll look at it and then see what we'll do. But if you're going to pay penalty, you will pay, penalty. And so that's what I'm going to say to you. I'm not going to do anything that will not make you to succeed in your...
Thank you.